Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tips Official.
Hi, hello to my all friends and Landge sir. After many days today I am going to present my speech here. I am Pratiksha and today I am going to tell you some inspiring sentences that are useful for yourself to create a bright future. Let us start my speech. First, I am to say that keep positivity in your mind. Then you will think that everyone says keep positivity, be positive. But positivity is so important for confidence. And if you be positive, then 50% of your success you get at that place without doing any effort. And another 50% you know that you can earn it with your own efforts. And also positivity increase our confidence. And you know that in this competitive generation, both positivity and confidence are important. So be confident. And I am to tell you some one thing about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The boy from a remote area has a zeal to know how can the bird fly, and that zeal made him to fly from a remote area to the president's house. And you know that this person is no other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And also, it doesn't mind you get success or failure in exam. There is very nice sentence. Don't define your failure by looking at someone's success. Don't define your success by looking at someone's failure. Set your own targets to break. This sentence means, I give an example. If you are any classmate of or you are any friend got 99% marks in exam and you got only 60%. Then many persons, many children about you or your friend who got many marks says that he is a cheater, he had done cheating, he will know many answers, etc. But instead of that, this sentence means you compare your failure with anyone's success, with someone's success. But instead of this, you should go to that your friend and congratulate him and take an inspiration that if he can do it, then why I cannot do it? If he can take 99%, then I can get 100% in the exam. And also, you should, instead of comparing yourself with others, you should set your own targets. As I will get 100% in exam next time. And you should achieve your goal, that goal. And dream is not that you see in the sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep. And also, Landge sir had told me before some days that it doesn't mind if you be successful or if you got failure in exams. Exams are only for teaching you something. Exams are only for giving you knowledge. So you should learn many things from the exam. And also Landge sir tells us that you 100% in your work. And if you give 100% in your any work, then it doesn't stay the work. It is said devotion. And devotion can make the God delighted. So it is so easy if we follow this. It is so easy to get and achieve your goal. And it is said that sky is the limit, but now space is the limit. So in this competitive generation, you will have to do many efforts, much more efforts. You will have to do struggle, and struggle means if your mind says no to study, if your mind say no, I am not to study now, but then also make your mind to study. You make your mind to study and study for 2 to 3 hours. It is called struggle, and you will have to do struggle. And you will think that should we not play? I know that play games, play outdoor games is also important. Exercise is also important because if we do exercise, then we stay energetic while studying. But we should also set the time. If you play from morning till night, then it is not good. You should set a schedule that I will play for 2 hours. I will give my 4 hours for study, and also I will give half hour to my friends. And someone had said that I win every battle on the